The easiest way or fastest way to draw talking is to just draw a speech bubble. The way I draw a speech bubble is I start with a triangle shape and then draw either a circle or an oval or a box on top of the triangle shape. So there's a speech bubble. That will indicate talking. If you want to draw two people talking or a conversation, then you can draw two overlapping speech bubbles. And I would draw it something like this probably. So that would be like talking, two people talking, a conversation, a dialogue. You can add lines inside of it if you want, you don't have to. But that would indicate talking as well. And if you want, you can add people to this. Just add people. You can give them bodies with an upside down U underneath the head. And there we've got people talking. And if you want to add shading, oops, there's a pen, a little cameo there. And you can add some shading. And you can add shading inside the speech bubbles if you want to. You can make it as fancy as you want. So those are all variations on talking.